let's make some letter E's. Capital letter E, here it is. Big line down. If you have a piece of paper, try this out. And then little line at the top, little line across at the middle, little line across at the bottom. And then the lowercase e. That is, it's a tricky one. Little line across, and then come right around with the letter C. Little line across, and then all the way around. Make sure you practice this one even more than the capital because that's the trickier one. You want to make sure that you become kindergarten ready with that lowercase e. Let's see, the sign for E. Thumb across, all your fingers. Take a little rest on the thumb, and that's the sign for E. E is a vowel, so E makes two sounds. Do you remember the two sounds? E and A. Here we go. E makes two sounds. E makes two sounds. E and A. E and A. E for eagle. A for elephant. E and A. E and A. What did Mrs. Chattel put in the sound bag today? Let's find out. It's very light. Doesn't take up much space. It is. I should tell you which sound of E. It makes the E sound of E. It's a number. And it is bigger than 10. But smaller than 12. And its numbers are 1 and a 1 makes, do you remember it? Makes the E sound of E. It's a number, it's bigger than 10, it's smaller than 12, and its numbers are 1 and a 1 makes 11. Do you remember? Oops, it's upside down, isn't it? 11. Let's clap that number, 11. Let's do it. Hands up by your ears. Let's clap 11. And 11. Ooh, how many was that? Let's do it with our fingers so we can keep track. Ready? And 11. 3 claps for 11. Now let's play rhyme time. There's really not much that rhymes with 11. So let's do a rhyme for, you know what I've been missing? I've been missing our golden bell. So we'll do bell. Let's rhyme with bell. Here we go. Bell, ring. A bell rings, but it doesn't rhyme. Let's go up. How about bell, tell? Yeah, let's say that together. Bell, tell. Let's go back down. How about bell, golden? Back up. How about bell, sell? Yeah, that rhymes. Let's say it together. Bell, sell. One more. How about bell, fell? Yep, that rhymes too. Let's say it together. Bell, fell. Now, let's put some letters in with the rest of the rhyme. L. It has 2 L's. L. We put the B in front of it, and it becomes B. L. Bell. Well, let's put an F in front of it. That lowercase f is tall with the hook on top and a little line across. Fell. Fell. He fell down. Fell. Bell. Fell. Yep, that rhymes. How about? How about an S? Little C, and then a backward C. Sell, sell. Bell, fell, sell. Let's put a T in front. Big line down, a little line across. L, tell. Hey, look, they all have L in them. L, L, L. Even though there's two L's, we don't say it twice. We just say it once. All right, so let's put a W in front of an L. L. Well, I hope you're feeling well today. And then the last one, let's do a Y. Remember we made that before. It's a little line, or a little slant this way, and a big slant this way. Oh, my hand went all wiggly. E is the sound for Y. E, L. Yell! Now let's read them all and see if you can remember all of our rhyming words. Bell, fell, sell, tell, well, and yo!